Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right, it is Tuesday night already. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's Tuesday night. Look at that. We're already getting signals here. We're testing out a new indicator this week. And it's telling us to take a sell right now, but we've got other reasons not to take that sell. One, we're just sitting down. And two, price is heading into some serious support. I don't want to sell into that. Okay, let's bring the music down just a little bit so we can talk. How is everyone? You're getting my back tonight. I think that's going to be the thing going forward here as I do the New York sessions, you know, with the lights on, the cameras on, and everything in my face. Dress up for it. Evening sessions, I'm wearing a t-shirt. Getting you know, getting toward the evening. Close the curtains, dim the lights, get in the zone, and test out these new indicators. So that's what we're doing today. If these new indicators pan out the way they're looking like they will, well, then we have a new indicator and a new tool that makes learning trading gold a lot easier. Let's bring the tone down just a little bit here. Let's see if we can do some maybe some you know, some light piano music. How about that? How about that? Told me to take a sell, and price went the opposite direction. That was why we didn't take the sell, because we had another reason not to. All right, well, it's kind of the problem child area of the chart where price is right now. Let's take a look at it. It's on a 1 minute. I don't think that's the best place to be looking at it, but you can see since the market opened right here, we've been up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, touch the ground like Winnie the Pooh. You know, it is in an upward channel. Let's see, how big is that channel? That is from 18 to 13, so that's a 5 pip channel. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, if we look at that on a 5-minute chart over here, we see we have been in an upward trend since 11:25 this morning, New York time. It has just been straight up. Now we get to the open here and we do see the same chop we were looking at over there on the 1 minute. You know what, I'm going to these charts back in their proper order. There we go. The question is, should we take this box? We always put price in a box when we start the session, unless, you know, unless price is just in a tear on a trend, and you can't put it in a box then, right? Let's go back here and look at the 1 minute and see how our box fits price currently. So we say that's our ceiling right there. That's our floor right there. All right, and it is, well, that one went down a little bit further. Still trading directly into support. Still something I don't think we ought to be doing. But this is Tuesday, Asia opening range. Let's get the Zoom room open. One moment, bear with me. Zoom room is opening. Let me turn on the proper camera for that. And there's our man Tono.
What's good, man?
All right, how you doing?
Good. Did y'all remember what you had to say?
No.
That's funny.
Yeah, I must have resolved it in my head or something.
Why don't you check this out real quick? Hold on.
All right, let's just, while you're doing that, I'm going to talk to our YouTube guys here about where we are. So right now we have price sitting above the daily pivot point, which is at 47.09. And it is being pushed down right up here. It's found some resistance. I put price in a box here. That's Tuesday's opening range. I like to put price in a box when I sit down. Not a very big box. And if price is trending really hard, it's hard to put it in a box. But today we could put it in a box. That's about a 5 pip box. So right now it's trying to break to the downside, but it is hitting some support. If I show you my MT4 charts here, see this is the 1 minute chart right here, and you see price is hitting some pretty big support right here where you see my cursor. So it's going to have trouble pushing down through there. It might go through there, but because of those supports, it's not a trade that we'll take. All right, execution page here. Go ahead, Tono, what were you going to say?
No, check out the thing I dropped in the chat. It's a cheat sheet.
Complete Smart Money Concepts cheat sheet. Oh, nice. So let's talk about Smart Money Concepts for a second. Smart Money Concepts is the trading infrastructure or created by ICT, right?
I believe, I'm not really sure if he created it. I think he pulled it from institutional traders. That's what they basically trade. They trade smart money concepts. He just kind of probably took it, you know. I redid the PDF for that indicator, and I've included a photo of each of the moving parts of it and better explanations of how they work.
Okay.
So you might want to look at that when you get a minute.
Where is the PDF?
Let me drop it in. So I'll drop it in here. Hold on a second. Good. I forgot I didn't drop it in here.
All right, show everybody what you showed me here. The complete Smart Money Concepts cheat sheet.
And now you have the PDF is downloading now.
And this is this meant to accompany the indicator as well?
It is the indicator. It's just like a quick view of what everything is happening. You know what I mean? So what I also did was I put a table of content inside the PDF.
Yeah.
So if you have a question of what the BOS is, you go right to the page of the BOS and it breaks it all down. Right? You don't have to go through the entire PDF any longer.
Right.
So if you have a question of the liquidity sweeps or the order box, the liquidity order boxes, you can go straight to that now and just answer your questions.
Right.
So
Cool.
it's easy to go through it. But then I thought this would be good to have on the desk.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So if you see something happening, you can kind of gauge it.
Yeah. That's perfect.
It doesn't look like we're going to have much movement tonight because it only went from 47.11 to 47.23, which is really unusual.
Yeah.
What is that? 11 pip movement since 6 o'clock is really nothing.
Yeah.
And look at the 5-minute Hakanashi and look at the 15-minute pivot. There's nothing happening.
Right. Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even if you look at the buy order that came in at 753 at what was that? 47.16. Went up to 19, but it didn't hit the take profit one.
Right.
So I'm real skeptical about even putting any money on the table at night. I'm going to just watch it for a minute and see what happens.
Yeah.
Last night it gave us some good stuff. I made $800 on the spot gold last night, and I made $318 on the prop firm trading $15 lot sizes.
Nice.
But look what today gave us, barely anything, and now tonight is barely giving us anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm kind of excited about this indicator because as I played with it all day, tightening it up and making some changes, it just gets better and better, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you publish the changes as soon as you make them, or like how does my indicator get updated with your?
Yeah, you have to go back and put in a new indicator now.
Okay.
I don't know if you get a notification that it's been updated or not in an email format, maybe. I don't know if you check your emails. I'm not really sure.
Let's see. I think I have to reboot TradingView to get updates.
You get it updated?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's all right. I'll reboot it later.
Yeah, I got the arrows should now be lining up correctly. All they are, they're just more confirmation of the same thing, just different calculations. So it makes me feel a lot more comfortable that 2 or 3 things are giving me the same signal.
Right.
Right.
This is pretty cool. Looking at the cheat sheet here.
Oh, thanks. You actually gave me the idea to do it.
Oh yeah?
When you suggest I throw it into ChatGPT.
Oh, to illustrate it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 years ago, this would have cost me $2,500.
Yeah.
To get somebody to do this, an illustrator.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe even more.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. It's put a lot of people out of work in that regard.
Yeah.
but it is also, you know, a lot of creativity has been unlocked of people who never would have spent that, but now can do something like this and, you know, get their business off the ground or something like that where they wouldn't have been able to before.
Yeah. I mean, even the course I put up, I can go back now and probably make it 1,000 times better. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah. Just because of the improvements in AI.
Just because of the improvements.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm $215 short of where I should be on the prop firm.
Of where your target was to be?
Well, my target is $500 a day.
Uh,
and I'm trading it 2 days and did 785. So I'm a little disappointed. You know, I think today would have we got a buy
yeah.
something
Buy signal right there.
or break it. Did you get the buy and break of structure or just a buy break of structure?
I see break of structure and a buy.
I didn't get the buy. Did you get the LQ arrow?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Showing it.
All right, so we have reasons that we haven't taken those buys when we've gotten the signal from the indicator.
My reason would be the Rinko, number one. And the second one, I didn't get the buy signal. I just got the break of structure and the liquidity.
Right. Well, I got the buy, but it was moving kind of quickly, with kind of a quick impulse, and it was going right up into resistance on the 1 minute Hakanashi. Right up into this red zone here.
I don't have that red zone on my Hakanashi.
On the 1 minute? The 1 minute, you don't have that right there?
Oh yeah, I do, yeah. I see it now. Also remember that it was actually created for the London, New York to deal with a lot of volatility.
Yeah.
We have less volatility and less volume. Might be a buy here after all. The wrinkle wants to do a little something. But it did reject at that resistance on the 10-second.
Yep. You gone?
I'm not.
Yeah, there's that resistance. There's still that resistance right up there. 2 pips away. Okay, we got another buy alert right there. This time we're in resistance. It's moving through it anyway, but
yeah, it's going back up to the 23. So be careful. That's where it was rejected earlier.
Yeah.
Also, the thing is, my oh well, it was going down. That's probably why it flipped to the downside to take profits and stuff. Well, all right, it broke the high, so maybe we got a buy coming in there.
we're not, we're going through the fixed point of control. See if we continue to break that, or if we just come back down into the range. Yeah. Could be a little scalp back down into the range. But we're trying to avoid taking trades that, you know, are on intuition. We're trying to strictly follow the indicator, right?
Yeah.
If the indicator gives us a signal, we evaluate the situation. If nothing else tells us not to take the trade, take the trade.
Yeah, I think we could take the next buy signal if it comes in, if it's above 24, 25.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. It's above 24, 25.
It wants to run it to the 5-minute resistance, but let's just see what it gives us on the Hakanashi, but let's just see.
I think it's more likely to reject from here. We just hit a bear volume. I think we're going to get a little tick to the downside before we go up. A bear volume on the 10 seconds, so I guess it isn't that big of a bear volume. Come on.
What does that indicate? I lost it again. Why does it keep leaving my
It's swing ranges chart prime.
I don't know why I keep losing it. I know why I keep losing it. Every time I update the indicator, I bring it back to a blank chart.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a good indicator because look how it stopped the market.
Yeah.
Right, that bear volume.
Mm-hmm.
It just tapped it, turned around.
Here we are back on the 1 minute. See it trying to push up here, trying to push through the fixed point of control. Hasn't been able to do it. Same thing on the 5 minute. We've pushed up out of this rectangle, which was our opening range. Our next pivot up here is the WM3. And it would look like we have a clear shot up there, but we really don't if you look at it here on the MT4. Well, let's see, what do we have above us here? Nothing.
What you said was the WM3 is the next? Yeah.
WM3 is our next pivot. We've got this bear volume at 47.30 or so. But we've got, if we look here on MT4, we've got all of these little resistance zones on the 1 minute. But with enough volume and enough strength differential, we can get through it.
Sell?
That was a sell, but it turned around, so I think that was a little late.
I don't think I would want to take a sell here anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll probably wait. It feels like it's moving up, then it's whether it's coming down, so I will wait for it to come down and then take the next buy signal up.
Mm-hmm.
or we don't get nothing tonight. That's the possibility.
Yeah. It could happen. Let's see what we have going on over here with the dollar. Dollar has been at 98.321. Looking at it on the 1 minute here and on the 30 minute here. And then over here we have the 10-year US bond yield on the 30 minute and on the 1 minute.
You know, you got them on the dashboard too, right?
What's that? Yeah, yes, right here. Yeah, I got that.
Boom, 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 boom. Gold's a little stronger than the dollar. We got core PPI tomorrow, 8:30.
Yeah.
And then Fed chair nomination vote.
Oh. Well, I think that's going to go through. I think that's probably already priced in.
Yeah.
That was a sell signal. Yep.
Yeah.
Bear trend. Both are bear trend now. But strength differential is still with the gold.
Yeah, 16 pips since open. I don't think there's nothing happening tonight.
Yeah. Probably not.
If you get a chance tonight or tomorrow, look over that PDF for me and see if you see any errors or anything I need to improve on.
Yep. All right.
Yeah. It's funny because I've been really bored with trading the last 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
And now I got a little bit more pep in my step now for some reason.
Yeah, that's great.